WhatsApp has just received a major AI upgrade. ChatGPT can now hear you. For the first time, you can send voice messages and images directly to ChatGPT, eliminating the need for typing. Just speak or snap a photo, and the AI will process it instantly. But how does it work? What are its limitations? And why is OpenAI rolling out these features now? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know, including how this could redefine AI-powered conversations and what bigger updates might be on the horizon. Before starting this video, make sure to like and subscribe the Viral Vibes for most exciting contents. The AI upgrade transforming WhatsApp. For years, ChatGPT has primarily been a text-based AI. Whether on OpenAI's website, mobile apps, or third-party platforms, you had to type everything out. That changed in December 2024 when OpenAI introduced ChatGPT to WhatsApp, enabling text-based AI chats within the app. Now, with this latest update, things have taken a huge leap forward. You can send voice messages instead of typing and upload images for analysis, while still receiving text-based responses. This makes interactions more natural. Speak, and AI listens and responds. Need help with something visual? Whether it's a receipt, product label, or even a meme, simply send a picture, and ChatGPT will analyze it and provide an answer. However, there's a catch. ChatGPT still doesn't reply with voice or generate images. If you send a voice note, the response will be text-based. If you send a picture, ChatGPT can analyze it but won't generate images in return. Still, this update significantly enhances how users interact with AI on WhatsApp, making it more hands-free and dynamic. And this is just the beginning. There's much more to come. How to use the new ChatGPT features on WhatsApp. OpenAI has made accessing these features incredibly simple. To start chatting with ChatGPT on WhatsApp, users need to save the number 1-800-CHATGPT 1-800-242-8478 as a contact. Once saved, open WhatsApp, start a chat with that number, and send a voice note or image just like you would in any other conversation. ChatGPT will process the message in real time and reply with a text response. No extra downloads, no complicated setup, just seamless AI-powered messaging. However, there is one key limitation. This service is currently optimized only for US phone numbers. Users with a US number get 15 minutes of free AI responses per month. To access more, they'll need to create an OpenAI account, which unlocks additional benefits. Why is OpenAI introducing this now? This update is part of a broader AI evolution that has been years in the making. Back in 2023, OpenAI introduced voice interaction to ChatGPT through its own app, allowing real-time AI conversations. However, this was limited to OpenAI's ecosystem. Meanwhile, WhatsApp, owned by Meta, has been steadily integrating AI into its messaging services. The first step in merging these technologies happened in December 2024, when OpenAI launched a text-only ChatGPT experience on WhatsApp. It worked, but it was still a limited version of what AI could offer. With the addition of voice and image support, OpenAI is now taking the next logical step, bridging human and AI interactions in a way that feels more natural. That said, this is still an early version of what's possible. Currently, ChatGPT can listen and see, but it can't talk back or generate images within WhatsApp. Future updates could change this, pushing AI communication to entirely new levels. How AI voice and image processing works. So, how does this technology function? When you send a voice note or an image to ChatGPT, OpenAI's advanced AI models process the input before generating a response. Voice messages. ChatGPT relies on OpenAI's Whisper AI, a powerful speech-to-text model that transcribes audio into text. Once transcribed, ChatGPT processes the text and formulates a response. Currently, Responses are text-only because generating natural-sounding AI voice replies requires significant computational power and advanced language modeling for seamless conversations. Image processing. ChatGPT uses AI vision models to analyze and interpret visual content, similar to how tools like Google Lens function. It can recognize objects, read text, and understand context. For example, if a user uploads a restaurant menu, ChatGPT can translate it or suggest dishes. If someone shares a meme, ChatGPT can explain the joke or its cultural reference. These capabilities are a significant leap forward, reducing the need for manual input. Instead of typing long questions, users can simply speak or send a picture, and ChatGPT will handle the rest. This is particularly beneficial for people who prefer voice-based communication or rely on accessibility tools. The limitations and what's next. Despite these advancements, limitations still exist. Voice recognition can struggle with strong accents, background noise, or fast speech. Similarly, image analysis isn't perfect. While ChatGPT can describe objects and read text, it doesn't always fully grasp complex scenes or deeper visual contexts. What this means for everyday users. ChatGPT's new voice and image support on WhatsApp makes AI interactions more intuitive and versatile. For casual users, this means effortless communication, no need to type, just speak or snap a photo. Quick assistance, get recipe ideas while cooking, translate foreign text, or ask for travel directions. Enhanced accessibility, a game changer for users who rely on voice-based communication or assistive technology. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking updates. Future improvements may include AI-generated voice responses, image generation, and even deeper contextual understanding, pushing AI-powered conversations into an entirely new frontier. The future of messaging is here, and it's only getting smarter.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Viral Vibes for more amazing content like this.